What's up guys, kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about decreased credit limit sa Security Bank credit cards ninyo. Pag-uusapan natin guys, bakit nga ba nag-decrease yung credit limit ninyo sa Security Bank? Kasi uso to ngayon may mga issues, bakit nga ba nag-decrease yung credit limit ninyo sa credit card ninyo sa Security Bank? At saka ano yung dapat nyong gawin kapag nag-decrease yung credit limit ng credit card ninyo sa Security Bank? Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, bank decrease credit limits to minimize financial risk. Security Bank routinely evaluates cardholder profiles and may adjust limits or consolidate multiple cards into a single shared limit due to several factors. So, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin na to guys? Isa-isahin natin para mas maintindihan ninyo. Bank decrease credit limits to minimize financial risk. Security Bank routinely evaluates cardholder profiles and may adjust limits. Kasi kapag na-detect guys ni Security Bank na maxed out lahat ng credit cards ninyo, kapag meron kayo iba pang credit card sa ibang bangko, at nalaman nila or nakita nila sa profile mo na parang gamit na gamit, maxed out lahat ng credit cards na meron ka. So there's a possibility na i-evaluate nila yung profile ninyo or profile mo sa kanila. At yun yung mangyayari kapag nakitaan nila na medyo kailangan mo ng pera, so babawasan nila yung credit limit mo. Kasi as you can see naman dito is to minimize financial risk. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo dun guys. Kaya naman kapag may credit cards kayo sa iba pang bangko, hindi lang Security Bank yung credit card ninyo, make sure guys na keep the ratio usage which is yung 30% lamang yung ginagamit ninyong credit limit sa credit cards or credit limit sa credit card ninyo sa Security Bank ninyo. Kahit sa anong bangko pa yan. Kasi yun yung batayan guys para mapatunayan mo sa bangko na hindi mo talaga ganun kailangan yung pera or yung credit limit sa credit cards ninyo. Or consolidate multiple cards into a single shared limit due to several factors. So kapag meron kayong multiple credit cards sa Security Bank, ang mangyayari is shared limit nila kung magkano yung credit limit ninyo, parang isang credit limit na lang yung ibibigay sa kung ilang credit cards na meron kayo sa Security Bank. Common reasons for a decreased credit limit include, so ito yung iba't ibang rason kung bakit nga ba kayo binawasan ng credit limit sa Security Bank credit card ninyo. Low card utilization. If you rarely use your card or only use a very small percentage of your limit. So as you can see guys, very small. So ibig sabihin, hindi siya umabot ng 30%. Okay lang naman guys na magpas ng 30% but hindi lang siya maxed out yung gamit na gamit or nauubos yung credit limit at hindi rin sobrang baba na nagagamit ninyo sa credit limit na binigay nila. Kasi ganun yung tendency. Okay lang maging 30 to 50%. Basta wag lang ubos, wag lang hindi naman nagagamit. Kasi babawasan din nila yun. Kasi yung pera nila is naka-tied up doon sa account ninyo. Hindi nila magagamit para sa ibang tao. The bank may reduce it to minimize their exposure. So, babawasan nila Security Bank yun kapag nakita nila na hindi naman nagagamit talaga. Okay lang, tulad ng sabi ko nila, 30 to 50% yung pwede nyong gamitin. Huwag nyo rin ubusin or i-max out kasi delikado din. Magre-reflect yan doon sa credit history ninyo or sa credit records ninyo na parang laki ng pangangailangan mo pagdating sa pera. High overall debt. If you have high outstanding balances, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, maxed out your cards or have heavy liabilities across other banks. Security Bank may lower your limit to reduce risk. Tulad ng sabi ko, kapag may mga iba't iba pa kayong credit card, hindi lang Security Bank, may BDO kayo, may BPI, may East West, Metrobank, China Bank, ganyan. Kapag gamit na gamit nyo yan, halos na ma-max out ninyo, pag na-detect ni Security Bank yan, babawasan yung credit limit ninyo. Missed or late payments. Late payments or defaulting on your account can signal financial distress of the bank or to the bank. Ito yung pinakatatandaan nyo guys, yung due dates or yung late payments. So kapag may credit card kayo, of course may due dates yan. Make sure lang guys na nababayaran ninyo yung payment due dates ninyo on time. Much better advance kayo ng 5 days or 10 days wag na wag lang kayo lalagpas sa payment due date ninyo sa credit cards. Kasi mag-reflect yan as late payment. So meaning, mag-reflect yan, makikita nila na huli-huli or late-late na yung payments mo. So, magkakaroon ng rest sa account ninyo. Account inactivity. If a card left dormant for an extended period, the bank might decrease the limit. So kapag yung credit card ninyo guys is hindi nyo siya ginagamit, hindi lang din kapag gamit na gamit, kailangan guys parang nasa tamang level yung paggamit ninyo. Huwag nyo rin hayaan yung credit card ninyo hindi nyo ginagamit kasi mag-signal doon sa bank yan na dormant yung credit card account ninyo sa Security Bank. So the possibility is babawasan nila yung limit ng credit card ninyo. As you can see, account and activity. So wala siyang transactions kumbaga. Single limit consolidations. If you hold multiple Security Bank credit cards, the bank implements a single limit rule. Your individual card limits are consolidated into one shared limit across all cards, which might seem like a decrease but it is designed to simplify your spending. So kapag marami kayong credit cards sa Security Bank, the possibility guys is i-set nila as isang credit limit na lang kung ilan yung credit cards mo. Halimbawa, may 5 kayong credit card ni Security Bank dyan. So, bibigyan na lang kayo like for example, 2 million or 3 million. So, pag binawasan or pag ginamit ninyo yung isang credit card, mababawasan lahat ng credit limit ninyo sa credit card ninyo. Since as you can see is single limit consolidations, meaning shared limit na siya across the cards na meron kayo. Then yun guys, let's talk about naman kung kailangan mo yung pera na yun na din-decrease tulad ng sabi ko kanina. So ano yung dapat nyo gawin kapag na-decrease yung credit limit niyo sa Security Bank? So gamit mo siya, so ano yung dapat mong gawin? If your financial situation has improved or you need a higher limit, you can request a review. So pwede kayo magpa-review guys ulit ng account ninyo. Contact Security Bank Customer Service Hotline at 632-8887-9188. So, the best thing you can do guys is to contact them. Ask them why, ano nangyari, bakit binawasan yung credit limit ninyo. Then, you can request for a manual review para if ever man na okay yung records ninyo, i-restore nila yung credit limit na binawas nila. Pangalawa is visit the Security Bank Customer Service Portal for more details. So, puntahan mo yung official website ng Security Bank guys. Yung customer service portal as you can see. Para i-report yung nangyari, bakit binawasan yung credit limit ninyo, tanungin nyo sila, manghingi kayo ng reason. Tapos kung there's a possibility na pwede pang i-restore yung credit limit na binawas sa inyo. Submit updated income documents such as your ITR or yung latest ITR, payslip or certificate of employment to support your request. So of course guys, since nagpapa-increase kayo ng credit limit, you have to prove yourself na capable enough kayo in using that Security Bank credit card. Kasi kapag nakita nila wala kayong proof of income na pinadala, so the possibility guys is ma-decline yung application ninyo ng restoring of your decreased credit limit sa Security Bank credit card ninyo. So yun guys, dapat maging aware kayo guys. Then ito guys, this is to raise awareness no, since this is about credit card. Make sure lang guys na kapag gumagamit kayo ng credit card, do not ever share your personal details. Like for example, yung card number, yung CVV, yung card number, at saka yung expiry date. Lahat ng nakikita nyo sa credit card ninyo guys is wag na wag yung sinishare sa kahit kanino. Especially guys, yung OTP. Kapag may tumatawag sa inyo, nanghihingi ng OTP or hinihingi yung expiry date ng credit card ninyo, wag na wag yung ibibigay yun kasi delikado yun. Just make sure lang guys na keep it to yourself para at least maging safe yung account ninyo or yung credit card account ninyo sa Security Bank ninyo. Sinashare ko to guys to raise awareness no, since this is about credit card. Kaya naman nais ko lang guys, malaman ninyo na be aware in using Security Bank credit card. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!